Food smoking has been around since man discovered fire. Over the past few years, however, smoked foods have seen a rise in popularity, with research showing that smoked meat can help increase good cholesterol in the human body. Unfortunately, smoking isn't exactly simple and straightforward. It can take an entire day or even longer to get a large brisket or pork shoulder done just right, and after hours of babysitting. That's where a good barbecue smoker comes in. These pieces of cooking equipment cook in a controlled, low-temperature, smoky environment, and they're powered by a wide array of fuels, including electricity, natural gas, propane, charcoal, wood, and pellets. With that said, the unprecedented surge in the number of smoked food consumers has led to a spiking demand for barbecue smokers. In response, grill companies have flooded the market with all manner of smoking grills, making it a daunting task to choose the right one. The good news is, our team of researchers has scoured through the internet to help find the top 5 smoking grills on the market today. Whether you're looking for a small electric unit for your backyard or a large smoking rig for commercial purposes, we've got you covered. Keep watching to find out about all of them. At number 1 is the Dyna-Glo wide-body vertical offset charcoal smoker. This is easily one of the largest meat smokers out on the market. Boasting a behemoth of 150 pounds of main cooking chamber and 6 25-pound steel shelves, it has sufficient space to cook enough food for a small army simultaneously. And with the supplementary rib racks and sausage hooks, you'll have plenty of barbecue options for your guests. In the design department, the Dyna-Glo charcoal smoker features a sturdy vertical configuration which gives it a small footprint. As if that's not enough, the charcoal chamber has a porcelain enamel which helps stack the briquettes tightly to improve cooking efficiency. Still, the dual adjustable dampers give you greater control over the smoke circulation. Plus, the handles on either side make it easier to move from one place to another. But perhaps the real beauty of this smoker lies in its intuitively designed ash management system. It's designed to facilitate easy removal of the ash without disrupting the wood or the charcoal in the offset box. This helps maintain the chamber's internal temperature as well as ensuring uninterrupted cooking. Lastly, the Dyna-Glo wide-body vertical offset charcoal smoker is fitted with a built-in thermometer and smoke zone indicator, helping eliminate any guesswork in your cooking. If you're looking for a sturdy, hassle-free meat smoker, the Dyna-Glo wide-body charcoal smoker is a solid investment. It has plenty of cooking space, a space-saving design, an intuitive ash management system, and a porcelain-enameled cooking chamber for better heat distribution. At number 2 is the Smoky Mountain 18-inch smoker. With a holding capacity of up to 6 people's worth of meals, the Smoky Mountain 18-inch smoker is ideal for small families. But don't let the small capacity deceive you, as the 2 cooking grates can easily handle a rack of ribs or even a beer can-style turkey with ease. In terms of functionality, this smoker uses silicone temperature grommet monitors to keep the internal temperatures in check. You can rest easy knowing that you have total control over your smoke rack of ribs. When it comes to making a proper barbecue, the key lies in maintaining a constant temperature, as it helps in proper cooking and smoke production. For this, the Smoky Mountain smoker comes with a porcelain-enameled center section, bowl, and lid, which help in heat retention. Moreover, there's also a large water pan, air circulation vents, and adjustable dampers, all of which help facilitate better airflow and cooking temperature inside the cooking chamber. And with the retractable fuel door at your disposal, you won't have to worry about interfering with the smoking process while loading charcoal or wood. Overall, the Smoky Mountain 18-inch smoker is an excellent cooking companion for a small backyard barbecue. It has a space-saving design, sufficient cooking capacity, and the temperature regulation system is easy to use and understand. Still haven't found your ideal barbecue smoker? Well, keep watching because we have more in store. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. The Masterbuilt 30-inch electric smoker is a workhorse that's built and designed with medium-size and large families in mind. Measuring 33 by 20 by 19 inches in dimension, it features 4 large chrome-coated smoking racks on the inside, giving you endless possibilities in determining the quantity and variety of foods to smoke. Another great feature that you'll love about this smoker is the internally sealed door, which helps in heat and smoke retention. Still, the smoker's vertical design ensures that it occupies minimum space in your kitchen corner or your backyard. And since it's powered by electricity, you don't have to worry about refueling it now and again. Simply fire it up, pop outside the wood chip loading vent, and you're good to go. Overall, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker is a great meat smoking piece of equipment that has a lot to offer. It has a huge cooking chamber, several chrome-plated racks, and a tightly coated housing, which are some of the elements that earn this machine a spot in our lineup. At number 4 is the Davy Crockett smoker. Measuring 20.5 by 27 by 17.5 inches with the legs open and a weight of 57 pounds, the Davy Crockett smoker has plenty of space to cook large meals for an equally large family. Along with that, it runs on 12 volts, making it the ideal backyard, camping, hunting, tailgating, music festivals, and houseboating cooking equipment. And since it comes with retractable legs, it can easily fit in a small store or car trunk. Another excellent addition to the Davy Crockett smoker is the auger motor system with adjustable speed. It allows you to redirect more oxygen to the pellets, increasing temperatures inside the cooking chamber. Design-wise, this smoker comes with a Venturi-style design, which is specifically engineered to ensure sufficient heat distribution and complete pellet combustion. And with a pellet hopper capable of holding up to 9 pounds of pellets, you don't have to keep refueling the machine. The Dave Crockett smoker is one of the most digitalized smoking machines on the market. It's fitted with a digital controller and Wi-Fi smart control, letting you track and control the cooking temperatures. At number 5 is the Char-Broil 16-inch bullet smoker. This Char-Broil 16-inch bullet smoker is a durable piece of cooking equipment, and it's designed to last generations. For starters, its upright bullet design gives you plenty of cooking space, making it ideal for medium to large families. Unlike most bullet smokers that require you to remove the door, Char-Broil's door is hinged to the body and seals tightly, which helps maintain constant cooking temperatures. And to further enhance the energy efficiency of the smoker, the ash is collected in a removable ash pan. Still, it comes with porcelain-coated grill grates and body, which makes it rust-resistant and a piece of cake to clean. Maintaining cooking temperature is done via the innovative 5-level air control system and lid thermometer. To make transportation easier, it's fitted with dual carry handles. If you're looking for a sturdy charcoal smoker grill for your weekend backyard barbecue, then the Char-Broil bullet smoker is a great investment. It has a sturdy build, it's portable, and it has excellent smoking performance. And there you have it, the top 5 smoking grills on the market. Whether you're looking for a small smoker to use in your backyard or a relatively large one for more commercial cooking, we hope our list of suggestions will help you make an informed choice. We're always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if there's a product you have in mind that you'd love to see us review, comment below in the comments section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with the latest updates by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing online community by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.